Hello, 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 and welcome to science class, my beautiful children. I hope all of you are doing fine. So I hope all of you are ready with me. Yes? Awesome, excellent. Okay, so here in front of you, you can see some questions. I'm sure all of you are really familiar with it. Yes, we covered it in the last weeks. So very easy. I'm going to read for you, and you have to write the answer by yourself before me telling you. Okay, so the first one here is I see using my dash. I see using my dash. What are these right here, and how can you see, like, which part of the body do you use to see? Use your eyes. That's awesome. Next, I hear using my dash. Using your what? There's a picture in front of you as well. Ears. Yes, we have 5 senses. We all know, right? We have 5 senses, and the pictures are right here in front of you. So I hear using my ears. Awesome. Next, I smell with my dash. I smell with my dash. When your mom is cooking pizza for you and you're sitting outside and you will say, "Mom, it smells so yum," right? How do you know? How can you smell? Using your nose. That's absolutely right. Excellent. Next, I taste with my dash. You taste the pizza with using your tongue. You taste the pizza using your tongue. That's right. I feel with my dash. You feel with your hands. That's awesome kids. Let's move on the next page. These are basically the revision sheets that I have already given to you, so I hope you have these sheets with you and keep them ready and solve it with me. Okay, please solve them with me. All right. Okay, so question number 2, we have circle the correct answer. I will read and you have to circle it or underline, okay, and write it on this line as well. I dash with my tongue. I taste with my tongue. I smell with my tongue, or I touch with my tongue. Yes, can you tell me, kids? You're right. I taste with my tongue. Perfect. Circle this word taste and write it on this blank as well. Next, I dash with my nose. I taste with my nose. I smell with my nose. I touch with my nose. What is it? What's the correct answer? Yes, come on. I smell with my nose. Perfect. Write it on the blank as well. Okay, so here is the fun part, the matching. I'm sure all of you can do it like before I will tell it to you. Just do it like 5 seconds and you will be done. I know, mashallah, you're smart kids. So here we have the first, ear. So which sense do we use? Which sense is used with the ear? Ear. Yes, we can do what with our ear? We can hear. So draw a line from there till here. Yes. Then there's a tongue. What do you do with your tongue? We taste with our tongue. Right. Please solve with me also, okay? Then we have eyes. What do we do with our eyes? You all can tell me. Yes, perfect. We see with our eyes. You're absolutely correct. Now hands. What do we do with our hands? Touch with our hands. Yes, my dear. Awesome. And what about nose? What do we do with our nose? We smell with our nose. Perfect. So here we have the next topic, parts of plants. You all already know that how many parts of plants do we have? We have 6 parts of the plants. How many parts? 6 parts. So in this picture right here, you have to label only 4 parts of the plants. Can you fill in the blanks with the correct words? The words are, read with me please, stem, flower, leaf, and roots. Yes, right. So what is the first blank here? What is this part right here? Yes, it's the flower. Excellent, excellent. What is this part right here? This one. This is usually green in color. Leaf. Very good. Leaf or leaves. Perfect. What about this part right here? It's like this part comes out directly from the ground when the plant starts growing. It's the stem. That's right. And what about these right here? The roots, as we know, they are under the ground, they're inside the ground, and from the roots the plant will gradually start growing. Yes kids? Awesome. So here what we have to do is, it's true and false. We have to mark whether it's true or false. So can you all do with me? Okay, awesome. Let's read. The plant needs water to grow. Is that true or false? Correct or no? Does the plant need water to grow? Yes, it's true. The plant needs water to grow. It's perfect, perfect. Okay. The next one, the plant doesn't need sunlight to grow. So in the first line, we know that the plant needs water. In the second line, they're saying the plant does not need sunlight. So you tell me whether it's correct or no. Does the plant need sun or no? It needs sunlight. So this is incorrect. It's false, right? This sentence is false. Okay, let me take another bright color. Here. Okay. So it's false. This statement is false because we know that plant needs sunlight. Yes? Awesome. Okay, the third one. The roots grow upward. The roots grow upward. The roots are in the ground, and when they are growing, will they grow upward, like on the upper side, or they will go deep under the ground further? No, they will not go under the ground. They will grow upward. So this statement is correct. It's true. Please write with me, okay kids? The stem grows downward. The stem grows downward. They are saying the stem, it goes downwards, like it goes down under the ground. No, the stem also grows upward because the plant will grow gradually and it will it will get away from the ground. So the stem grows upward, not downward. So this one is false. That's right, kids. Mashallah, you're very smart kids, huh? So here is what do plants need. So what do plants need to grow? Color the pictures, match each picture with the correct word. So what is this in the pair right here? Water. So plants need water or no? Yes, they need water. So match water with this pair right here. Then the next picture is what? It looks like soil. Soil is the ground in which we will put seed inside, and then from that seed the plant starts growing. So of course soil is also very important for the plants. Good soil. If the soil is good, the ground where you are going to grow your plant or a tree, if that ground is fertile, if it's very good, then the plant will be the outcome will be very good. But if the land is very dry, very rough, on that land the plant will not grow properly. The third picture is very obvious. What is it? Sun. The plant needs sunlight. Yes. And the fourth one is right here, air. So all these things are very important for plants. They need water, they need good soil, need sunlight and air. If any one of the thing is missing, the plant will not grow properly. Okay, here the next topic, living and non-living things. Yes, living and non-living things. So we have to read the statement and tell whether it's true or false. So let's read. The first one is living things can grow. First of all, tell me what are living things and non-living things. Living things are those which can move, they can grow, they can breathe, right? They can reproduce, and non-living things can't do any of these. So we know living things can grow. This is correct, it's true. Right here, T. Next, we are non-living things. As we just discussed, that non-living things, they can't move, they can't grow, they can't breathe, and they can't reproduce. So they are saying, are we all non-living things, people? No, we are living things because we grow, we need air, we eat, we reproduce, right? So this statement right here is false. Yes. Next, non-living things need food and water. Non-living thing like a book. Does it need food and water? A book, a table, a glass? No, it does not need any food and water. No non-living things. So this statement is also false because they are saying that non-living things need food and water, but they don't. So this is false. Next, plants are living things. So you always have to keep in mind when you're talking about living and non-living thing. So the first thing that should come in your mind, is this thing growing? Does it need water? Does it need air? So tell me, plants are living or non-living? They are living things. So this statement is correct. It's true. Yes. Next, living things need air. Is it correct? Absolutely correct, because we know living things need air, they need food, they need water, they need all the necessities to live. But non-living things don't need anything like this. Okay, awesome. So here what we have to do, we have to circle the living things and put an X on non-living things. So living things we have to circle, non-living things we have to put an X or a cross. Okay, so are you ready to do it with me? Okay, awesome. So I will differentiate for the colors also. For the living things I will use the yellow color, and for non-living things I'm going to use another color. Okay, so the first one right here is a tree. Tree is a living or non-living thing? What you have to think, does it grow? Does it need food? Does it need air? Does it need water? Yes, it needs all of them. So it's a living thing. So what we will do, we will circle it. Absolutely correct. What about a ball? Does it need air, water, food? No, it does not need anything, so it's not a living thing. We can put a cross here. We can put a cross for non-living things like this, okay? Awesome. Next is a picture of a worm. What is a worm? It's like an insect. So the insects grow. Do they move? Do they need food, water? Absolutely. So they are living things. You will circle it. Next picture is of a dog. What is a dog? Now you can think by yourself and tell me. Dog is a living or non-living thing? It's a living thing because dogs can grow, they move, they breathe, right? Next is a clock. Clock is a living or non-living thing? It's absolutely a non-living thing because it cannot move, it cannot breathe, right? Flag. Flag is a living or non-living thing? It's also a non-living thing because it does not need any of the things we mentioned for the living things like food, water, air, right? Next, clouds. Clouds are living or non-living things? They are also non-living things. They don't need anything like water, food, right? Then we have a butterfly. Butterfly needs air, food. Does it grow? It's an animal, so all the animals, insects, people, and plants, they are straight living things. So you should not have any second thought while looking at any animal, people, or plants. So it's a living thing. What about a cupcake? Cupcake is a living or non-living thing? Of course, a non-living thing because it can't grow by itself. Then we have what? Then we have a flower. Flower is a living thing, as I just told you. Okay, next picture we have is a kite. Kite is what? It's a non-living thing. It's like a toy. It's used to play, right? Awesome. And the last picture is a boy. Boy is a living thing. Perfect kids. So I hope you understood what living and what non-living things are. Yes. So yes kids, that's it for today. I hope you enjoyed the lesson. Inshallah, I will see you all in another lesson with an interesting topic. So till then, take care, enjoy yourself, and